Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to be a Binance merchant. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance. Type in p2p.binance.com/merchant application. Make sure that A of the application is capital. After that, click on enter. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see your progress option. Here you need to complete these three requirements, which is SMS and email authentication and your identity verification and a minimum amount of 500 USDT deposit. After that, you can apply by clicking on Apply Now button. You may need to fill out the application form, which typically requires personal information, proof of identity, and bank account detail. Once approved as a merchant, set up your payment method. Choose the payment option you want to offer, bank transfer, e-wallets, and ensure they comply with Binance guidelines. After becoming a merchant, you can create, buy, and sell listings for various cryptocurrency. Set competitive prices, specify the payment method, and determine the limit for each transaction. Make sure to include clear instructions for buyers or sellers. Your reputation on the P2P platform is crucial. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback. The higher your reputation, the more likely you are to attract buyers and sellers. By following these steps, you can become a Binance merchant and start trading cryptocurrency through the Binance P2P platform. So that is how you can be a Binance merchant. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.